What's up, guys? The last time you saw this, I had the stolen Magnum wheels on it, and I said I was waiting for the Shadows, so this is a little bit of an update. I got the Shadow. They're the truss rims with the cymbal hubs, just the stock ones you can get off their website. So I thought I'd give y'all a little update on it. I know a lot of people like to hear what cassette hubs sound like before they purchase them or whatever, so I'll let y'all hear what the Shadow cymbal hubs sound like. Kind of give you some different perspectives of the sound, riding and walking with it, and then just having it upside down and stuff, what you normally see. Also, being a bright sunny day, you can really see the flake popping on this paint, on this layered frame. I can't get over how awesome this color is on this bike. And then I also got a different ball and bracket. I got the Shadow ball and bracket polished, and go with the little chrome accents here and there. So yeah, so here you go. Here's what this hub sounds like. See that one again. Sorry for the wind, guys. Alright, that's going to do it for this short video today. Just wanted to give you a chance to hear what the Shadow hub sounds like and all. It's a 4-pawl individual spring, if I remember correctly, for anybody that was wondering. I normally run 3 paws for years, and I finally stepped up and got a little bit better of a hub with the 4-paw. Just riding it around the block, I've noticed it's a little bit more responsive, a tiny bit less free play. It's not that much louder, not like a 6-paw, but yeah, it's definitely pretty good hub so far. Just riding it around, I see a lot of people seem to like it and ride it, so that's why I got it. So Shadow's a really good brand, it seems. So alright, remember to hit like and subscribe, guys, and I'll catch you next time.